Stop scrolling. What I'm about to tell you will change everything you thought you knew about aging and leg weakness. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs feeling weaker, heavier, or less stable, if getting up from a chair has become a challenge, or if you've started avoiding stairs, then this video could literally save your independence. According to the Centers for Disease Control, 1 out of 4 Americans aged 65 and older falls each year. That's over 14 million seniors. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related death among older adults. But here's what will shock you. Research shows that many of these falls could be prevented by addressing something most doctors never check: vitamin deficiencies that directly impact muscle strength and balance. Before we dive in, if this information helps you or someone you know, please hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing health content. Now let's get into this. The American Geriatric Society reveals a startling truth. After age 60, we lose between 1 to 3% of our muscle mass every single year. In just 5 years, you could lose up to 15% of your leg strength without even realizing it. Here's the part that will make you question everything. Multiple peer-reviewed studies have shown that specific vitamin deficiencies are remarkably common in seniors, yet they're rarely tested for or addressed. Research published in Age and Aging found that undiagnosed vitamin B12 deficiency affects nearly 10% of seniors. Studies show that over 80% of seniors have suboptimal vitamin D levels. Thiamine deficiency has been observed in 20% to over 90% of certain senior populations. These aren't minor nutritional gaps. These are the building blocks your muscles desperately need to function properly. Right now, millions of seniors are being told their weakness is normal aging, when it might actually be treatable vitamin deficiencies. They're accepting limitation as inevitable when restoration might be possible with proper nutrition. The research exists. Oxford University studies on vitamin B12 and mobility. Harvard research on vitamin D and fall prevention. Clinical trials showing remarkable improvements in leg strength and energy levels when these deficiencies are corrected. Yet somehow, this critical information rarely makes it from research journals to your doctor's office, and almost never makes it to you. And that's exactly what we're going to change today. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 specific vitamins that peer-reviewed research shows can restore strength, balance, and confidence in ways that will amaze you. We're going to cover exactly what each one does, the science behind it, proper dosing, and how to take them for maximum effect. Let's start with the first vitamin that acts like a master conductor for your entire nervous system. Vitamin B12. Think of B12 as the communication highway between your brain and your legs. When this highway is blocked or damaged, the messages get scrambled, and your legs start acting like they're disconnected from your control center. The signs are subtle at first. You might notice a tingling sensation in your feet, like tiny electrical currents running through your toes. Perhaps you've experienced that unsettling numbness that makes you feel like you're walking on cotton balls. Or maybe you've had moments where your legs felt completely disconnected from your body, refusing to cooperate when you need them most. The psychological element that makes this even more devastating is how it triggers a cascade of fear and anxiety. When your legs start failing you, you begin to doubt every step. You avoid activities you once loved. You start planning your life around your limitations instead of your possibilities. This mental shift accelerates physical decline, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. Research from multiple studies has shown the connection between B12 levels and mobility in seniors. Those with adequate B12 levels maintain their walking speed and balance significantly better than those who are deficient. The deficient group showed increased fall risk and dramatic decline in mobility. But here's the good news. B12 deficiency is completely reversible. Clinical studies have shown that seniors given B12 supplementation experienced dramatically improved sensation in their feet, better balance, faster reaction times, and renewed confidence in their movements within weeks. Your body absorbs methylcobalamin immediately without needing to convert it first, a crucial advantage for seniors whose conversion abilities have declined with age. The recommended dosage for optimal leg function is 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily, preferably taken in the morning or early afternoon to avoid sleep disruption. What makes B12 particularly exciting is how quickly participants report feeling more steady when walking, regaining sensation in their feet, standing up more confidently, and even sleeping better once their nerve symptoms subside. Vitamin B12 is a movement vitamin as well as a brain vitamin. It reestablishes the connection between your body and brain, and when those lines are clear, your legs feel stronger, your muscles react more quickly, and your confidence comes back. Next, number 2. Vitamin K2. Now let's talk about a vitamin that most people have never heard of, yet it might be the most important one for your leg strength. Vitamin K2. While its famous cousin vitamin K1 helps your blood clot, K2 has a completely different mission. It's the architect that directs calcium exactly where it needs to go in your body. Here's the fascinating part that will change how you think about bone health forever. You could be taking calcium supplements religiously, but without K2, that calcium might end up in your arteries instead of your bones. It's like having the world's best building materials delivered to the wrong construction site. K2 acts as the foreman, ensuring every molecule of calcium gets deposited in your bones and muscles, where it can actually strengthen your legs. The psychological impact of understanding this is profound. How many seniors have felt betrayed by their bodies, wondering why their calcium supplements aren't working? The answer lies in this missing piece of the puzzle. Without K2, you're not just wasting money. You're potentially creating new problems while your legs continue to weaken. Recent meta-analysis of multiple studies has shown remarkable results. Research involving hundreds of postmenopausal women demonstrated that K2 supplementation led to significant improvements, not just in bone density, but in muscle strength and stability. Their leg muscles demonstrated increased power output, and their risk of fractures dropped substantially. But K2's benefits extend far beyond bone health. It plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body builds and repairs muscle tissue. As we age, this process naturally slows down, but K2 supplementation can significantly boost its efficiency. Think of it as upgrading your body's muscle-building machinery from an old, slow assembly line to a modern, high-speed production facility. The most bioavailable form is K2-MK7, derived from fermented soybeans. This form stays active in your body for up to 72 hours compared to other forms that are eliminated within hours. The optimal dosage for seniors is 90 to 120 micrograms daily, and it should always be taken with a fat-containing meal for maximum absorption. What makes K2 particularly powerful is its synergistic relationship with other vitamins. It works hand in hand with vitamin D3 to maximize calcium utilization, creating a partnership that's far more effective than either vitamin alone. This collaboration is so important that taking D3 without K2 is like trying to build a house with only half the blueprint. Next, number 3, vitamin D3. Picture vitamin D3 as the master switch in your body's electrical panel. When this switch is off, entire systems begin to shut down, starting with the very foundation of your strength, your muscles and bones. The tragic irony is that the vitamin your body needs most becomes the hardest to obtain as you age. Here's a truth that might surprise you. The weakness in your legs isn't necessarily a natural part of aging. It's often a symptom of D3 deficiency that's been misdiagnosed as getting old. This misunderstanding has robbed millions of seniors of their vitality and independence, condemning them to a life of limitation when restoration was always possible. The science behind D3's power is breathtaking. Multiple research studies have demonstrated the rapid effects of vitamin D3 supplementation on muscle function and strength in seniors. Well-designed clinical trials have shown that adequate vitamin D3 levels are associated with better muscle function, reduced fall risk, and improved overall mobility. But the psychological transformation reported by study participants was equally dramatic. Participants described feeling lighter on their feet, more confident in their movements, and eager to engage in activities they had been avoiding. Many described it as feeling like someone turned the lights back on in my body. D3 works by optimizing calcium absorption, but its role goes far deeper. It activates proteins responsible for muscle contraction, reduces inflammation that weakens muscle tissue, and enhances the communication between your nervous system and your muscles. Without adequate D3, your muscles literally cannot perform at their full capacity, no matter how much you exercise or how well you eat. The deficiency epidemic among seniors is staggering. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing D3 from sunlight. Our kidneys and liver slow their conversion processes. We spend more time indoors. The result? Over 80% of seniors have suboptimal D3 levels, yet most don't even know it. Large-scale research has followed thousands of seniors and discovered that those with low D3 levels had significantly higher rates of falls and hospitalizations. But here's the remarkable part. When these same individuals brought their D3 levels back to optimal ranges, their fall risk decreased substantially, and their quality of life scores improved dramatically. The recommended dosage for healthy seniors is 800 to 1,000 international units daily, but those with a history of falls or obvious frailty may benefit from 1,500 to 2,000 units. Always take D3 with a meal containing healthy fats. Think avocado, olive oil, or nuts, because it's fat-soluble and requires these fats for proper absorption. Next, number 4, vitamin B. 1. Finally, let's explore the vitamin that serves as your body's energy catalyst. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. If D3 is the master switch and K2 is the architect, then B1 is the fuel that powers the entire operation. Without adequate B1, your muscles are like a car trying to run on empty. Everything might look fine on the outside, but there's simply no power to move forward. The psychological devastation of B1 deficiency is particularly cruel because it's so gradual. You don't wake up one morning unable to walk. Instead, you slowly notice that simple tasks become exhausting. Climbing stairs leaves you breathless. Walking to the mailbox feels like a marathon. You start questioning your mental strength, wondering if you're just being weak or lazy when the real culprit is nutritional. B1 is essential for converting the food you eat into ATP, the cellular energy currency that powers every muscle contraction. Your leg muscles, being the largest in your body, have the highest energy demands. When B1 levels drop, these muscles are the first to suffer, leading to that heavy, dragging sensation that makes every step feel like you're walking through mud. Research studies have examined hundreds of seniors and found that a significant percentage had suboptimal B1 levels. These individuals consistently showed reduced leg strength, slower walking speeds, and frequent complaints of muscle fatigue. When researchers provided B1 supplements to the deficient group, the transformation was remarkable. Within just 1 week, participants reported increased energy, lighter feeling legs, and renewed motivation to be active. The reasons seniors become B1 deficient are numerous and often overlooked. Our digestive systems become less efficient at extracting thiamine from food. Common medications like diuretics literally flush B1 out of our systems. Even moderate alcohol consumption can interfere with B1 absorption. Processed foods, which many seniors rely on for convenience, are stripped of their natural B1 content. But here's what makes B1 particularly exciting. Its effects are often felt faster than any other vitamin. Clinical research has shown that patients with persistent leg fatigue who received appropriate thiamine supplementation experienced improved endurance and significantly less leg heaviness within days. The vast majority reported noticeable improvements in their energy levels and motivation to move. The therapeutic dosage for seniors experiencing leg weakness is typically 50 to 100 milligrams daily. Higher than standard recommendations, but safe because B1 is water-soluble, meaning any excess is naturally eliminated through urine. The key is taking it in the morning with food to maximize absorption and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Many seniors report feeling more energized after just a few days of taking B1. They describe their legs feeling lighter, walking becoming easier, climbing stairs being less taxing, and the natural desire to be active returning. It's like adding fuel to an engine that has been sputtering for years. Next, the perfect combination strategy. The magic happens when these 4 vitamins work together as a coordinated team. Take B12 with your morning meal to establish clear neural communication. Add K2 to direct calcium where it's needed most. Include D3 to activate your muscle systems, and fuel it all with B1 for sustained energy throughout the day. This isn't just supplementation, it's strategic body restoration. The timing matters. D3 in the morning with healthy fats, B12 at midday to avoid sleep interference, K2 with any fat-containing meal, and B1 first thing in the morning for all-day energy support. Here's a simple daily example. For breakfast, have Greek yogurt with nuts, 1 D3 capsule, and 1 B1 tablet. At lunch, take your B12 with a meal containing some healthy fats and include your K2 supplement. This configuration ensures your body receives the proper nutrients in the right amounts at the optimal times. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're taking medications or have underlying health conditions. Regular blood testing can help ensure you're maintaining optimal levels without exceeding safe ranges. The strength and independence you've been missing isn't gone forever, it's just waiting for the right nutrients to bring it back to life. The grandmother I mentioned at the beginning, who started this 4-vitamin protocol 6 months ago. Today, she's back to chasing her grandchildren around the park, climbing stairs without assistance, and living life on her own terms. Your legs aren't broken. They're just hungry for what they've been missing. Give them what they need and watch as your strength, confidence, and freedom of movement return. The choice is yours. Continue accepting limitation as inevitable or take action to reclaim the vitality that's rightfully yours. The research is clear. The science is solid. The results speak for themselves. These 4 vitamins, B12, K2, D3, and B1, working together can transform how your legs feel and function. If this video was helpful, kindly type yes in the comments below. That motivates us to produce more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest health discoveries. Remember, you have the power to change your story. Your strongest days don't have to be behind you. They could be just beginning.